hitting the ground.
Yeah. We really want the flip.
We want the flip. Do you want to be on this side?
I'll take this side. But I think we should still try to just go both hands under.
Yeah, both hands under, and then just...
We'd have to go that way because there's a car there.
Yeah, that way. Alright, I'm gonna...
Stretch it out.
Alright, I'm gonna... wait. Alright. 3,
Oh
2,
my God.
I'm gonna use a hand here. This is easy. Alright.
Let me get my other hand over you.
Alright.
Ready?
Okay, we're gonna get down. Get low. Okay. 3. We're gonna do 1, 2, and then 3. Okay? 1. Yeah, wait. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Good job, guys.
Yeah! That was exactly how I wanted it.
Smashy! Wait, we can smash the other one.
Oh, we can throw that.
I know. What's standing up?
Oh, there's sharp stuff everywhere.
Screws. You. We're gonna have to pick up the major pieces.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. There's tetanus everywhere.
Should be lighter.
Just don't stab yourself in the face.
That should be a lot easier to pick up.
No, that's the heaviest part of it, idiot.
I know, but... Oh, wow.
Never mind.
Take that other hand under. There's a nail right in my face.
I know. Try to...
Okay. One. No, wait. 1, 2.
Oh, yes. Done and done.
Look. Demolition.
We can do this for a living.
That's easy.